To buy this product, please click the link below in the description. Thank you. Bring a calming, zen, and decorative feel to any room. 3 tiers create a gentle, soothing flow of water replicating the sights and sounds of a tranquil spring. For more information or to buy, please click the link below in the description. Thank you. Quiet, built-in, submersible pump automatically circulates the water, keeping it free of algae buildup. Plug the corded power supply into an outlet to turn on. Flip the off switch to turn off. Asian-inspired 3-tier design. Unique lighting feature creates a soft reflection. Natural river rocks can be added to any tier or to the extra deep, open-style basin. Use it to unwind after a hard day, drift off to sleep, meditate, or practice yoga. Display it in your baby's nursery so they can enjoy its sounds and soft glow as a night light. To buy this product, please click the link below in the description. Thank you.